To forward your Outlook email to another email address, whether a personal address, a different business address, or whatever you want to do, you're going to go up to File and you're going to select Settings. You can also go to the right hand side where you see the settings icon and enter that way as well. The next thing you're going to do is go down to Mail. Then you're going to click on Forwarding and IMAP. And then you're going to go down under Forwarding. You see it says Enable Forwarding. You're going to toggle that on. And if for some reason you don't see the Enable Forwarding section and you haven't signed in to your account in a while, it may ask you to verify to sign in first. Just re-sign into your account and then you'll get this option. Where it says forward my email to, you'll enter the email address that you want the email, your current email, to forward to. I'll enter mine. And then below you see a checkbox, keep a copy of forwarded messages. So when someone sends you an email, you'll keep one copy in your current address and it'll also forward to the new address. You can decide if you want that on or not. And then down below under set default from address, this will just say when the receiver receives the email, it'll list your email as coming from the address that's in this box. So we'll leave that as it is. And then you're just going to click on save.